So I just want to point that out.
Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick, like a group exercise, so that since we're talking about limiting beliefs, so if anybody has any particular limiting beliefs or anything that's stuck, I'm just going to kind of quickly walk you through and help you release it. So just simple steps to just follow your breath just naturally. Just that's how you do. Okay. So when you're following your breath, whatever specific instructions I'm giving you, just follow the breath and set an intention. Just intention, and just to let it go. So I'm going to pick out some specific stuckness for the group here, and then by following the breath, that's going to help you with your stressor or your limiting beliefs. So the first thing that comes up, we're gonna release any type of subconscious level grief. Okay, so follow your breath, set an intention to let go of any subconscious level grief. Any type of subconscious responses with the body having the response of not feeling safe. So follow the breath, so the breath can bring some energy to the body. Any type of subconscious responses with not trusting, follow your breath, bring energy to that, and set an intention to let that go. And now, specifically for the heart area, energize it with your breath to let go of any stuck sadness or grief. And follow your breath. And any type of resistance with the fear of letting it go, and follow your breath. Any type of ancestors' resistance from letting that go, follow your breath, energize that area, and then let that go. And then follow your breath to energize your spine to support you, releasing it to support you, getting to where you want to get to. And just follow your breath and connect to that place of silence. So whenever you're ready, you can come back and ask any type of questions.
Thanks, Paul. I know Paul, he's done a few things with me over the years. He's got a lot of good things up his sleeve, so reach out to him if you want to know things. That felt good for me. I hope it felt good for you. It's so simple.